Hi, namaste everybody from Nepal. I'm Sanjay. I'm spending my lockdown here in Kathmandu in my home. I've never spent so much time with my family. For the last 23 years I was traveling along with you guys to Nepal, India, Tibet, Bhutan, Thailand, but I'm spending my life with my family, reconnecting with them. I've also developed some new hobbies. As you can see, I got some tomatoes here in my kitchen garden, some beans, curry leaves, eggplants, some zucchinis, wild tomatoes, and so on. So I'm also learning to cook. My wife is helping me with that. I'll show you later. And I'm spending the rest of the time reading a lot, meditating. And as I live very close to a national park in Kathmandu, north of Kathmandu, and I walk like about 7 miles a day, and I lost 13 pounds, as you can see. As you can see, I'm here in my kitchen cooking the beans, tomatoes that I got from my kitchen garden. My wife is training me to cook. I love to eat, so this is the best way to learn. And I hope that you guys are also meditating, reconnecting with your families, discovering yourself, and being close to nature, but at the same time staying safe. And I'm sending all my prayers and love to all of you, and we'll definitely meet again, travel later. So dream now, and we'll definitely travel together later.